they should get the final round in.
All right, well, obviously we're talking winter and spring, and they're duking it out over the eastern half of the country today. Blizzard in the north, tornadoes in the south. This topsy-turvy weather can hit retailers and farmers hard.
Well, let's talk about weather and your wallet with our business weather analyst, Paul Walsh. Good morning to you, Paul, and you're in Downingtown, Pennsylvania this morning, so winter just won't quit. Spring, you really can't get a strong foothold yet. So what's the impact of this kind of wild spring weather on people's wallets?
Well, Paul, it has a dramatic impact. The weather this time of year has a significant impact in terms of driving consumer spending and also the broader economy. So if you think about what's going on in the upper Midwest and in the plains and the lower plains with both the fire, which is impacting agriculture, so farmers and ranchers, and also the weather that we're seeing up in Minnesota and North Dakota, where farmers are soon going to want to be putting their crops on the ground, but they're not going to be able to because obviously it's still winter weather. And of course, from a consumer perspective, just from a spring perspective, for many of us, spring has really not started. And so there's this general slowdown in terms of the overall consumer economy.
And I can imagine that is also for the business world, trouble for that late start of spring.
That's exactly right. And it's been so volatile. And of course, here in the Northeast, we had a couple of days where it was really warm. In fact, here in the Philly area, Marie, it was 85 degrees in my backyard, and today it's 40. So it's a 45-degree drop in about 12 hours, which means that spring has unsprung for a lot of people here in the Northeast, which means that the boost that businesses got for the last couple of days in the East, which is a big part of the economy, is basically ground to a stop. And we're all sort of back in the funk now because spring just went away in a heartbeat.
And not much left to spring as it is. Maybe the year without a spring in some places. Paul Walsh, as always, great to see you, and enjoy the chill.
Make the best of it.
Make the best.